to the tutorial on how to set up the aokin Fluorescence Polarometer. The instrument has a door and a drawer. Please remove any foam which is still in there from the transport and turn on the instrument. In the back you see a cannula. The cannula is connected to a pumping system. The cannula will move inside the instrument, especially towards the optic module. The optic module always has to have a small cuvette with a stirrer inside. Make sure that the cuvette is pushed down and sits very firmly. We take a reaction buffer and place the tubing in it. We have an empty waste bottle and placing it next to it. We click on device preparation and there is a checklist. We need clean solution in a 20 ml vial and we need a 2 ml vial in this position. After confirming the device preparation, the next step is to choose the analyte, type in the concentration of the calibrant. This is a sample tray with the position of the samples here and the positions for the reagent set 1, reagent set 2. Each set consists of reagent 1 placed here, reagent 2 here, the standard and the diluent. Press calibrate to flush the system in order to remove all air bubbles. And then we can already start the calibration. We can see the progress of the result for each individual measurements here, and the result of the calibration is displayed afterwards. After the calibration has been finished, the system is ready for analyzing real samples. We choose again the analyte. We don't need a calibrant. We press on new sample. We define the sample position in the sample tray. Enter the sample ID. Choose the sample preparation and the injection volume for the cuvette. And then we place the sample in the sample tray. Afterwards, we press on Start to start the analysis. Anything else is being done automatic by the aokin Fluorescence Polarometer. We can see the progress of the measurement here, and after it's all been finished, the analytical result will be displayed.